Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the OMS Safety Kit. So this is a handy compact little pouch, and inside of it you've got a delayed surface marker buoy and a finger spool. So the pouch itself can just sit on a webbing strap or any kind of strap, or just sort of slot through there. You've also got a vertical slot as well if you want to sort of have it horizontal. You've got a little attachment D-ring as well, just so you can clip it off. So lots of ways to attach it to yourself. Down at the bottom, you have this sort of plastic coated mesh. So that means that it's not going to fill up with water and be really heavy, especially when you get out of the water. You've got a zipper all along the top, very quick and easy to access that. And then inside, you have a delayed surface marker buoy, a dSMB, and a finger spool. So that stays sort of with you. So when you're ready to do a safety stop and send your dSMB up, you undo that, you take these two out, that stays attached to your belt, and then you attach this to your delayed surface marker buoy, and then inflate it and send it up. So the spool itself is a little bit different from sort of modern day spools. This is more of a pinch grip. So instead of a big, large bore hole that runs all the way through the center of the spool, it's just kind of tapered, so you can pinch it, even with gloves, very easy to use, and then as it's unspooling, you just hold on to that, and very quick and easy. You've got all of the attachment points on the side, so it works just the same as a traditional spool. Comes with a stainless steel double ender as well. With the dSMB, so you've got this Velcro closure system, so you can wrap it up nice and neat and tidy. Undo that. At the bottom of the dSMB, we've got a stainless steel D-ring, so you can sort of tie it off or clip it off if you want to. The webbing strap as well, very strong and reliable, and you can tie it off around that if you want. The bottom of the dSMB is open-ended, so you can use either the sort of exhaust method from your primary, you can use your octo as well to inflate that. At the bottom we have these two little sort of metal sections, so these are going to add a little bit of weight to the bottom of the SMB just to hold it down and stop gas escaping on the surface, as well as keeping it closed as well. But what's really helping keep the gas inside is you might be able to see it's fluted. So as the air comes in, it gets bottlenecked into here, goes into the main chamber, and then when it fills up, it's actually going to close that opening. So even when it ascends up to the surface, even if it flops over, the air can't escape out through there because it's closed itself off. So on the other side, we have a oral inflation valve, so you can push that in and blow into it to inflate it. That's spring loaded, nice soft spring on that. But that's also the same shape as your BCD inflator or your dry suit inflator. So you can use one of those quick disconnect hoses, push it onto that, and that will inflate it really, really quickly. There's no locking mechanism, so as soon as it's inflated, the hose will just slip off, and then the dSMB can shoot up to the surface. A little above that, we've got a small overpressure valve. Because it's self-sealing, it effectively closes itself. As it expands, or as it ascends, I should say, the gas inside is going to expand, so you need to get rid of any excess. That's what that does. Any excess gas, to save it from just exploding, that's going to allow expanding gas to escape. And you can deflate it when you're back on the surface using that. And then at the top of the dSMB, very traditional, nice and slim. It's just got OMS, the brand on it. On the other side, you can put your name, you can do whatever you want to that, and then rounded top. So a nice sort of addition, especially if you're going on holiday. Most dive boats require every diver to have their own dSMB. Stow it away in a little pocket, very quick and easy to deploy, and it all comes together in a handy little kit. So this is the OMS Safety Kit. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.